Okay na 03, 21, 2107.
Shouts your Pogie. Thank you, Alfie.
Thank you, guys. Sis Charmaine, ito na Sis Charmaine. 33, 35, 04, 88, 17, 15, 55, 20. Yung kanina.
Charmaine's glory hole, yo.
5.
6438.
Okay, sana magpapadan message. Okay. 35, 29.
I'm here for you.
Thank you.
I love you.
I love you too. Mike, uwa-uwa. What's uwa-uwahan? You're always amazing, Sir Jim, my forever
I'm
from
hyping you up. I'm giving you Mega Low shout out times 20.
uwa-uwa. 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 Ano yun? 8:23.
I'm having fun.
May link pala kanina pwede ba humabol ate? Oo, pero nandun sa nandun na sa live. Nandun sa live ko kanina, nag-click lang kayo din. Okay na, 23. Sure, 29. Okay na 29. Flip, 23. Okay na 23. Yen, 14. Yan, nakapin guys sa lens. Nag-drop ko kanina ng links doon nag-log ako. And let's go, guessing numbers. Are you ready?
Where do I put the numbers at?
In my inbox. Sige, wag na ate, yung links na lang naman at yung share ko yung lista na po. 30. Okay na 30. 14, nalista na ko share sis June. 14. Hi, Sister Rams! Hello ka pa. Good morning to you there. Good morning, good morning, good morning. How are you?
Hon, what button do I need to push?
You want to send message?
What's that? What do I want to do?
Just send message to me.
Oh, okay. I can. Okay, I can minimize this.
Yeah,
I can do this.
you use iPhone, right? You just swipe up and then it looks like this.
All right.
The live is here and then the chat is here because you're using iPhone. So look, it looks like this. Swipe. Then flip and lens. 07, okay na. 36. 36. Flip and 30. Okay na. 23. 23. 30. 36.
There's a couple
37.
numbers, hon.
Okay. 18.
These
33.
are Chevy big block and small blocks. Let's see if you can figure this out.
Guys, let's do guesting into Gcash. Okay. Wait, I will write down. Guesting.
Oh man.
Yeah, you can use green screen hand.
I don't want to. I don't know how I did that.
Yeah, if you're in the right button of yours, there's an icon there. You can choose light, green screen, create highlights.